Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla bounced nicely on this downward channel. So we are up $19.82. That's 2.46%. We closed at 824.40. Post market, we are down a little bit. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart, because only looking at numbers does not tell us the whole story. So look at this here. Nice green candle. Longer wick at the top here. So we reached, let me tell you, the high. So we reached 850, perfect touch on 850 and came back down. So we see that the body of the candle is more towards the bottom here. So there's a little bit of a selling pressure, even though we closed higher than where we opened. The low of the day is at 782, so very close to our 780.83. The stock is really following our lines, so this is always nice to see. And the body of the candle is pretty much right smack on the support here on our downward channel. So basically, the stock is doing what it should be doing, going between the support and resistance. Yes, there was an exception right here, but it seems to have resumed this up and down. This is nice. This is the pattern the stock is in right now. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, let's find the first hour of the day. So first hour of the day was right here. So we opened right here at the bottom, broke the support temporarily. So this is why you always need to wait for a candle to form. If you looked at it this morning, you would have seen the stock go down and break the support, and you could have concluded, yeah, bingo, we have a break of support, we should short, we should buy a put, blah, blah, blah. But no, you should not do that. You should wait until you have the full candle. The full candle arrived at 10:30. And at 10:30, you would have seen that, yes, we broke down the support, but then we came back up. And so it meant that we are bouncing because this is a green candle. This is a bounce on the support. And then Tesla started to go up. So second hour was up, third hour, nice green candle on the third hour. And then since then, it has been pulling back a little bit, and the pullback is approximately 50% of this move up. So that's a decent pullback. The stock can still be going on because of that smaller pullback. Now, what is happening is that we have on the hourly chart this new downward resistance. Look at this perfection here. This is where we touched here at 12:30. So perfect touch right here and almost here also. So we have this resistance that we need to cross for the stock to go higher. So this is a really nice place to put a alert. So with TradingView, you can add an alert on a trend line. So this is very useful. So this is an alert on the 1 hour chart crossing the trend line. And you should specify here in terms of options, you should specify once per bar close. So you want to see an alert if we cross after the bar has closed, as I mentioned before. So you just do this and you don't even need to look at Tesla anymore until it starts beeping. And when it beeps, this is telling you that the stock has closed the candle outside of this resistance. This is in fact a buy signal. But then be careful because we also have this downward resistance, this downward channel resistance that is very close. And we also have the double resistance that is coming from this big bull trend. We still have that to fight off. So if we break this resistance right here, the next stop is these two ones here. The point is the stock still has a lot of resistance to go through before it's really free to go. So even if we have a little break here, it does not necessarily mean that the stock is going to go like crazy. So just to manage your expectations. In terms of stochastic, we are losing stochastic over 60 right here. So we are losing it a little bit. But just look at this support at 813 and look at this downward resistance and you'll be good to go. So let's go to the daily chart now. So a bit longer term. So if you are a little bit of a longer term investor or trader, that's perfectly fine. So we have this bounce right here. In terms of stochastic, stochastic is at 50. So stochastic is still not over 60. Nothing strong enough on the daily chart yet. In terms of MACD, we still have the MACD crossover. RSI is still below 50 and the MI is still bearish. Nothing to write to mom tonight. On the daily chart, this is still the resistance to take a look at. This is the main resistance. As we cross that resistance, we are also going to cross 857 at the same time and 879 and onto these double resistance. So the stock is working through slowly all of these resistance, and hopefully we are going to start to see some moves on Tesla. This is long overdue, and at least we would like Tesla to come back above these two double resistance here because this was part of the major bull trend, and it would be nice if Tesla would resume that bull trend. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. You can send me a tip. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.